Ciao, hi, it's Warren. And now it's season of bluefin tuna. And I'm gonna make a Warren style sashimi. It's a combination of ceviche, sashimi, and carpaccio. I'm going to use 4 ingredients to make this sashimi. 1 Taiwan lime, orange, Italian spice mixed, oregano, thyme, some fennel, basil, paprika, and dried garlic powder, and also the most important, cacao nibs. With the cacao nibs, you have a crunchy texture and also a more stronger chocolate flavor, and Fu Wan chocolate. So first we sprinkle some spice on the plate. And then I'm gonna cut the sashimi. It's just whatever you want to cut. Like as big as possible or as thin as possible, like a carpaccio. So we take some spice on the sashimi, and then we're going to squeeze some lemon juice onto the sashimi. The kind of concept of ceviche. So then you got a sour flavor and aroma from the lime. Zest some orange and also the lime onto the sashimi. So then you got very refreshing fragrance from the fruit. And in the end, we're going to also zest some chocolate onto the sashimi. The best chocolate in the world. Fu Wan #1, 62%. So we can do it like this. So it's done. The Warren style Fu Wan chocolate sashimi. Yay!